Hey y'all, today we're upgrading sweaters from Mending, Santa's favorite, with a red bow. Step 1. Raid your grandma's yarn stash. Holds up neon pink yarn, or pretend the 80s never died. Thread that needle like you're diffusing a bomb. Sweats, why are my hands shaking? I drank decaf. Draw the bow shape. Scribbles wildly if it looks like a cockroach. Call it abstract holiday spirit. Stitch like you're writing your ex's name. Angry sewing, this one's for stealing my Netflix password. Holds up lopsided bow, behold Picasso's sweater phase. Blame the thread, not your skills. Pro tip, hide mistakes with glitter. Sprinkles aggressively glitter, the duct tape of crafting. Model it like you're on Hallmark Christmas movie. Poses, I'm basically the tree angel now. If your aunt says it's tacky, yes, it's vintage tacky, Karen, then eat her cookies. Remember, a crook bow just means quirky charm. Imperfections, no artistic liberties. Next week, how to embroider colored snowflakes. Spoiler, it's just Frozen meets Jack Daniels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, or this bow will haunt your laundry.